morning everyone. So it's Christmas Day and I just woke up to go make some breakfast for my housemates. So by the time everybody is up, breakfast will be ready. So I am thinking of making deviled egg. I just saw that on YouTube and I want to make it. And also I'm going to bake bread and some sausages and also potatoes. That's what I'm thinking for the meantime. I don't know what else to do, and yeah, it's just something, light when I have to bake the bread, so it's gonna take time. But yeah guys, anyways, what are your plans for Christmas? Let me know in the comment section down below. I am so tired right now. I don't know, I woke up lazy. So yeah guys, let's go and make breakfast for my housemates. Thanks guys. Guys, I just realized that the butter I was gonna use is finished. There is no butter. There is no there are no potatoes. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. Now it's almost 12 a.m. and it's 11 right now, and I'm planning on like finishing before 12. I don't know if I'll be able to bake this bread and finish it before 12. I'm trying out a different recipe to kind of like finish it within 30 minutes. I hope that works. So yeah guys, I am so stressed right now, plus I had to, I don't know, let's see guys. Hi guys, so I am done making breakfast. I've been done for a while now, but my stomach is full right now. So right now we're going to prepare dinner. with my housemates, but I'm not going to be vlogging that because mainly I don't have space and I am so tired. Won't be able to like vlog and then be cooking at the same time, but I'm going to show you the end results of our dinner and everything. I'll be making some bourbons and we'll be making fried rice as well and some juice to drink. So yeah guys, I'll be showing you the end results. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below how your Christmas is going. Are you spending it with your family or you're spending it alone, far away from home, just like me? So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. I don't know when, but hopefully soon. So yeah guys.